Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your guide on how to post a job. First, click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen and select Employers. Enter your credentials and click Login. On your Employers panel, click the Post a Job button in the upper right corner of your screen. To filter the right applicants, fill out the necessary information for your job ad, such as the job category, work experience required, location, job title, number of vacancies, and job ad details. You may also add details about your company and a video to attract applicants. Also, you can require an applicant to provide a cover letter and select how they can apply to your job vacancy. You may choose from the following: email application to be sent to your email address, use my career website with a valid URL, or other means like you want the applicant to visit your office personally, and you can also choose both email or other means, or both career website and other means. Take note that it is important to fill in the fields with asterisk to be able to proceed. Once done, click the Job Details button to preview your job posting. Review your job posting to ensure all the details are correct, and once finalized, click the Payment Details button. Fill out the contact information and select your preferred payment method. After that, click on the box for the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. Once done, click on the Post Jobs button. Your posting is now complete. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.